In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front door handle on your Kia Optima, located on the driver's side of the vehicle. Let's get started. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this cap. I'm going to use a small plastic trim tool. Go ahead and wedge it in between and pull it out. After taking the little cap, we're going to see a 10mm bolt. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and just get it loose. There's no need to take it completely out, just get it loose. And now that we have the bolt out, we're gonna go ahead and just put some pressure on the door handle and slide this piece out. Just like that. Now that we have this piece out of the way, go ahead and grab your door handle and slide it this way. Slide your door handle out, and that is how you remove it. Moving to the bench, we're gonna go ahead and transfer the key mechanism to the new cap. Using a flathead screwdriver, we're gonna go ahead and apply some pressure right on this area. You're gonna pry up and you're gonna slide it out. Lift it out and take it out of the way. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. We're gonna start at the bottom. We're gonna line it up and then we're gonna push it in place. Now we can go back to the vehicle. Now we can go ahead and install the new handle. Slide it in place the same way that the old one came out. Once you have it in position, go ahead and clip it in. Now that this is in position, we can go ahead and install this piece for the key. Hold the door handle a little bit and slide it in. Now we can go ahead and snug up the 10mm bolt. Do not over tighten it. After that, install the grommet. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.